Within the current range of market values, the price of an internet computer is around $4.0260 per coin, which is fairly expensive. The explicit change observed is 0.0050 or 0.12 in percentage terms, which can be considered a substantial depreciation of the United States dollar relative to the ICP as initially perceived. The anticipated value of internet computers is expected to reach 4 units in the near future. The closing exchange rates of 4.0110 and 4.0440, in contrast to the prevailing belief based on the previous day's closing rate of 4.0310, are deemed to be highly significant. Additionally, it is anticipated that online PCS will cost about 4.03 units on Monday, August 7th, which is a rather high value. The result of 4.31 is significantly better than the required minimum of 3.75, indicating a high level of achievement. Subtle and covert observations of this difference are made. The Internet Computer Gauge's price was 3.93 on Tuesday, August 8th, which is the highest value ever recorded. On Wednesday, August 9th, the estimated cost of Internet PCs was recorded at $3.83, which may be regarded as the maximum value in the current context. The lease is aesthetically beautiful in a remarkably noteworthy manner, and the value of 3, specifically 0.65, bears considerable importance. The price of an internet computer was recorded at 3.86 on Thursday, August 10th, which can be considered the highest value seen. The value of 4.10 is thought to be somewhat higher than the value of 3.56 as it is commonly perceived. On Monday, August 14th, the cost of the multi-week internet computer figure was believed to be 4.08, which was considered to be legitimately the highest, but it was later discovered that the cost was actually 3.54, making it the least expensive option. On Friday, August 11th, the anticipated cost of internet computer was 3.81, which was indeed the highest value. The highest cost recorded within this time frame was 3.76. The concept of leasing is the subject of interest, especially in relation to Section 4.02, where the value of 3.50 is significant. On Tuesday, August 15th, the anticipated cost of an internet computer was approximately 3.78, representing a close to maximum value. On Wednesday, August 16th, the estimated cost of an internet computer was 3.86, which is significantly higher than the minimum of 3.52. The difference between the value of 4.13 and the minimum value of 3.59 might be regarded as noteworthy. Wednesday, August 16th Internet PC is projected to cost 3.99, which is thought to be the most favorable pricing. The lease agreement is quite desirable. On August 18th, Friday, the predicted price of an internet computer was around $3.71, although experts generally expected it to top out at $4.06. It is anticipated that the leasing rate of 4.34 and the projected cost of the internet computer, which is 3.78, will be executed covertly over a period of about 14 days. This forecast is specifically applicable to Monday, August 21st, with a projected cost of $4.06, which is noticeably the highest anticipated expense. On Tuesday, August 22nd, the cost of the Internet Computer Gauge ranged from a minimum of $3.78 to a maximum of $4.34, with a mean value of $3.87. On Wednesday, August 23rd, the cost of Internet computers ranged from a minimum of $3.60 to a maximum of $3.95, with the majority falling between $4.10 and $4.01. With the majority in general, it is frequently observed that a sizable portion of people tend to hold a favorable opinion towards the concept of leasing, with a relatively smaller percentage expressing a preference for the alternative of outright ownership. The topic of discussion relates to a type of lease arrangement. On Thursday, August 24th, the cost of the Internet computer was $3.67, making it one of the most expensive options available, priced at $4.01. On Monday, August 28th, The average cost of leasing an internet computer for 3 weeks was $4.31, with a minimum cost of $3.75. This was significantly higher than the expected cost of internet PCs on Friday, August 25, which was projected to be $4.03. Despite popular belief, the lease with a rate of 4.29 and in particular the one with a rate of 3.73 stands out. The cost of leasing the computer increased to an average of $4.01 per month. The estimated cost of an internet computer on Tuesday, August 29, will be $4, which is thought to be the highest value in its fundamental context. The estimated cost of the internet computer on Wednesday, August 30, is most likely at least 3.72 MO, with a maximum value of 3.98 MO. The people believed that the price was around $4.26, but it was actually closer to $3.70 on Thursday, August 31, when the estimated price for internet PCs was $3.98, the maximum amount that could be charged. Generally speaking, the contract in question is referred to as a 4.26 lease. The price of an internet computer was $3.87 on Friday, September 1, which may be regarded as the highest value in its crucial context. The magnitude of 3.70 is noticeably significant. The cost of the internet computer gauge increased gradually over a period of 3 weeks, rising from a minimum value of 3.60 to a maximum value of 4.14 on Monday, August 28. During this time, the cost averaged out at $4.01. The average lease rate of $4.29 is typically thought to be quite significant for a time period of about 1 month. On Monday, September 4, the anticipated cost of the internet computer was $3.83, which could be seen as a slight increase from the minimum value of 3.60. The value of 3.72 is particularly noteworthy given its extreme nature. The current exchange rate for United States dollars to ICP is approximately 3.98, which is significantly higher than the previous rate of 3.46. This indicates a notable increase in the value of ICP in relation to the US dollar, specifically the exchange rate I. Bitcoin price predictions as $10 billion sends BTC up 1%. Are whales buying? When Bitcoin goes up by 1%, people start to wonder if whales are involved, since BTC just got a huge $10 billion infusion. This rise in business interest is happening against a financial background that is very interesting. Jerome Powell recently hinted that if the US wants to do a good job of stopping inflation, it might have to raise interest rates again. A recent buy of BTC worth $3 billion that is said to have been made by Robinhood has also raised eyebrows. Many people think this is why Bitcoin's price is going up. Analysts at J.P. Morgan